So our department has continued our surveillance drive in Kalangut area, and we've been working on one of these products. These are chocolate analogs, and last week we had intercepted one of the suppliers here in Kalangut area and asked him to rectify the label. Similarly, there was another supplier who was operating from Panjim with this brand, and he too was last month told not to mislabel his products. He was also given training, but in spite of giving all the information and training, he has continued to supply these chocolate analogs as chocolates in the market. So today we've come to these two shops where his products are available, and we've seized his products. We have also sent them for testing with a clear-cut message that we will crack heavily upon these products because they are misleading, and especially when the younger generation, they are going out to have these products, they should have proper awareness of what they are eating. So these things are made with vegetable fat. Analog is used instead of cocoa butter, hence they cannot be labeled as chocolates. They have to be called as confectionery. So this is how the company is misleading people. Okay, similarly we have done another inspection on the sale of biryani, which my colleague will tell you more details.
आज आमकां एक इन्फॉर्मेशन अशें आयलें की कोण तरी बिरयानी करता, हैदराबाद दम बिरयानी उमटा वाड्याचेर, आनी ताजो जो रेजिडन्स आशिल्लो तो नियर बाय रावतालो त्या रेजिडन्साच्या बाथरुमान तो चिकन धुतालो पांयान हें करून विथ द यूज ऑफ फॉसेट जे आमी WC यूज करता त्या फॉसेटाच्या उदकाचेर तो चिकन धुतालो. सबसिक्वेंटली आमकां दुसरो आनी एक इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलें की तो स्वताच्या ज्या शॉपाचेर टोमॅटो आसा पळय ते शिजयता आनी ताका जेन्ना तेजी ग्रेवी करपाची आसता, लायट जशी गेली की स्वता भितर तो पांयांनी तो माड्डून तो तेजी ग्रेवी करतालो, आनी जो कोण भुरगो ताका ताणें एम्प्लॉयड केल्लो तेज्या पांयांक 5 काय 6 कितें वुंड्स आशिल्ले. सो आयज जेन्ना आमी वचून तेजी शहनिशा केली, आमकां कळून चुकलें की हैदराबाद दम बिरयाणी द ओनर इज वन शिरोडकर, आनी तो एक कोण तरी तो बेंगाली कोण तरी तो चलयता. सो आमी सबसिक्वेंटली इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ पब्लीक आमी तें बिरयाणीचें टोटल आमी सील केल्लें आसा. I have the videos of the same for public awareness.
So we would also like to make another appeal, and this is especially to all these shops at the beach belt who are engaged in the sale of cashew nuts and these products. Kindly note that if you are found selling these chocolate analogs with the name chocolate, then we will take strict action. We will ensure that these products are seized and cases are filed. So they should immediately remove this product from their shelves. In the subsequent week, we will be visiting all these shops and we will be taking strict action.